This Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus coffee and espresso maker by Delonghi arrives as a sophisticated answer to modern coffee demands, blending design, technology, and convenience into a compact footprint that fits effortlessly into contemporary living spaces. At first glance, the machine presents a combination of sleek curves, matte textures, and refined metallic accents that elevate its presence from simple appliance to purposeful decor. The aesthetic appeal alone suggests that this model is carefully engineered not just to brew coffee efficiently, but also to complement the visual tone of today's kitchens, offices, and creative workspaces. For anyone seeking a premium brewing experience that aligns with a fast-moving lifestyle, this machine establishes itself as a compelling contender. What distinguishes the Vertuo Pop Plus immediately is the integration of Nespresso's patented centrifusion extraction system. This technology enables the machine to read each Vertuo capsule automatically and adjust brewing parameters in real time, ensuring that the beverage is produced under optimized conditions for taste, texture, and aroma. Rather than requiring the user to experiment with different settings, the machine handles every variable autonomously, spinning the capsule at high speed, regulating water dispersion, and coordinating temperature to deliver consistent, cafe-style results. This creates a level of reliability that is especially valuable for consumers who want high-quality drinks without investing in elaborate manual techniques. The machine supports 5-cup sizes, from small espresso shots to tall, comforting mugs of 12-ounce coffee. This flexibility is essential for households with mixed preferences, as one person may begin the morning with a smooth double espresso while another prefers a mild, larger cup. The Pop Plus also accommodates ice preparations and Nespresso's unique cold brew style capsules, expanding the beverage menu far beyond what a typical single-serve unit offers. Having such a range of drinks available at the push of a single button makes the machine attractive for those who appreciate variety but do not want multiple appliances cluttering their countertop. The large 37.2-ounce water tank is another thoughtful design choice. Its side-mounted placement makes refilling intuitive and spill-free, while the transparent construction allows users to monitor the water level at a glance. The adjustable drip tray, designed with 2 height positions, supports different cup sizes, including larger travel mugs, making this machine comfortable to use whether you are enjoying a leisurely drink at home or preparing something quickly before heading out the door. The overall footprint remains compact despite these features, ensuring the machine fits easily in kitchens with limited counter space. Where the Vertuo Pop Plus truly shines is in its combination of simplicity and innovation. The one-touch brewing system eliminates all unnecessary complexity. Users can insert a capsule, close the lever, and press a single button to begin brewing. Within 30 seconds, the machine reaches optimal temperature. Nespresso pairs this user-friendly system with smart connectivity, allowing the machine to stay up to date through automated maintenance alerts, firmware updates, and simplified descaling instructions provided directly through a connected device. These features transform the machine into a genuinely intelligent companion, one that prioritizes both long-term performance and user convenience. From a sustainability standpoint, the Vertuo Pop Plus sets a higher standard compared to many single-serve competitors. Constructed from 35% recycled plastic, the machine demonstrates a thoughtful approach to eco-conscious design. In addition, Nespresso's aluminum capsules are fully recyclable, offering consumers a practical way to reduce waste without compromising the quality of their beverage. The inclusion of a complimentary tasting pack introduces users to a curated assortment of blends, encouraging them to explore and experiment with different flavors and intensities as they begin their Nespresso journey. Key features that elevate the experience: 5-cup sizes ranging from espresso to large coffee. Centrifusion brewing that adjusts settings automatically. Compact construction with a side-mounted water tank. 30-second heat-up time for fast preparation. Adjustable drip tray for various cup heights. Connectivity features for updates and maintenance. Fully recyclable aluminum capsules, made with 35% recycled plastic. One-touch brewing with intuitive controls. These features collectively create a machine that defines modern convenience while maintaining a level of sophistication typically reserved for higher-end equipment. Taste, texture, and brewing quality. Consumers consistently praise the Vertuo system for its signature crema, and this model continues that tradition with impressive consistency. Whether preparing a strong espresso or a mild morning coffee, the crema adds a rounded, velvety layer that enhances both mouthfeel and aroma. This balance of richness and smoothness helps the machine deliver a cafe-style experience at home, which is especially appealing to those who appreciate depth and nuance in their daily cup. The flavor profiles across Nespresso's Vertuo capsules offer a diversity of strengths, intensities, and origins that allow users to customize their routine based on mood and preference. Thanks to the Centrifusion system, extraction is remarkably even. Instead of forcing water through the grounds with pressure alone, the machine rotates the capsule at high speed, distributing water uniformly and ensuring thorough saturation. This method reduces the risk of bitterness or uneven extraction, concerns that traditional brewing systems sometimes struggle with. The result is a dependable flavor profile that holds consistent across all beverage sizes, from bold espresso to smoother, longer cups. Ease of use and daily convenience. From start to finish, the Vertuo Pop Plus prioritizes simplicity. Every step, opening the lever, inserting the capsule, closing the lid, and pressing the button, is intuitive. The machine's minimal learning curve makes it suitable for people of all ages, whether someone is new to single-serve brewing or simply wants a more streamlined morning routine. Maintenance is equally straightforward. The descaling alert eliminates guesswork by notifying users when the machine requires cleaning. Because descaling is essential for preserving brewing quality and machine longevity, this automated alert helps ensure optimal performance over time. The removable water tank and drip tray further simplify cleaning, and the capsule container collects used pods neatly and efficiently. Design and aesthetic appeal. The visual presence of the Vertuo Pop Plus deserves particular recognition. Its matte black finish paired with dark chrome accents gives the machine a modern, understated elegance that pairs well with minimalist kitchens, bold interior designs, and everything in between. Its compact shape allows it to fit neatly into corner spaces, narrow countertops, or small apartments without feeling intrusive or cluttered. The attention to detail in the design makes it clear that this model aims to deliver a complete experience, one that balances form and function without compromise. Longevity and build quality. The solid construction ensures durability, while the Smart Update feature preserves compatibility and performance over the long term. With proper cleaning and regular maintenance, this machine is built to maintain reliable brewing quality for extended use. The combination of recycled materials, premium components, and intelligently integrated technology forms a system designed to hold up well to daily brewing. Pros and cons of Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus Coffee and Espresso Maker by Delonghi Pros. Produces consistently rich and flavorful coffee with signature crema. 5 versatile drink sizes suitable for multiple preferences. Compact and stylish design with a premium matte finish. Fast heat-up time and effortless single-touch operation. Smart connectivity for updates and guided maintenance. Water tank positioned conveniently on the side. Recyclable capsules and eco-conscious build. Adjustable drip tray for large mugs. Cons. Only compatible with Vertuo capsules. Requires occasional descaling for optimal performance. Smart features require connectivity setup. Conclusion. The Nespresso Vertuo Pop Plus Coffee and Espresso Maker by Delonghi succeeds in blending modern style, precision engineering, and everyday convenience into a single, compact machine. It is ideal for anyone seeking high-quality coffee without the complexity associated with traditional brewing systems. Its versatility, simplicity, and design-forward build make it a standout addition to any home or workspace. If you're ready to elevate your coffee ritual with a machine that balances elegance and performance, this model offers exceptional value. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.